Perform the indicated operation, if possible. 4 squared plus negative 8 minus the quantity 2 cubed minus 6. Let's use the order of operations to simplify this. The order of operations indicates that we can take care of this exponent and this exponent that's in the grouping symbol at the same time. 4 squared is 16 plus a negative 8 minus, in parentheses, 2 cubed is 8 minus 6 and close parentheses. As the next step, let's continue in our grouping symbol here with 8 minus 6. Writing each step out completely, 16 plus negative 8 minus 2. Working now from left to right, 16 plus a negative 8 is 8, and 8 minus 2 is 6. So this expression simplifies to the number 6.